Today we are here at the third mile fruit market as Synjuk, Shnong, Upper Shillong. Yesterday we had met the Deputy Commissioner of the East Castles District along with the Synjuk, the traffic police, and especially the team which leads this work, the NHIDCL. After a thorough deliberation at the office of the Deputy Commissioner, we had gone today at 9 o'clock in the morning for the inspection of this ongoing project of the NHIDCL, and we express our dissatisfaction with the kind of work that you're doing. It's a very slow pace, but after we could inspect today, we could also hear the difficulties faced by the NHIDCL, by which the Synjuk has offered whatever help they can from the people of this area. The main concern of our visit today is the Umshyrpi area, which is the work is going on at a very slow pace. So we have inspected today along with the BDO, the line department, the traffic police, and we have requested and urged the NHIDCL to fasten up the work at Umshyrpi area all the way till third mile and repair the potholes and whatever work that is left unattended in the last few months. This has become a major issue not only for the people of Upper Shillong, but for people who are coming from West Khas Hills, from Sora, from Peninsula and elsewhere. Even people coming from Garo Hills are using the same road, and it has caused great inconvenience to the public at large because of the traffic jam, which we, the people from Upper Shillong, we face in our daily activities while going to work. And what touches us the most is that people who ferry the patients with their own private vehicles, there is not even a gap to pass, because when you come with the ambulance, the siren is there. People have always respected the ambulance, but when people who are taking the patients in private vehicles, or people have to go to hospitals and many other emergencies, they are stuck in a jam for 2-3 hours. So the Synjuk felt it necessary that we have to take up this issue in the right manner and in the right pace. And today it was satisfactory after we visit, and we have got a commitment from the NHIDCL that they will try to speed up this area from third mile up to Umshyrpi. They have given us a time of 2 weeks that they would complete whatever work that is pending here, and we welcome the night closure as well. As a Synjuk, we have given them the assurance that we will support, and we assure them that even if required volunteer at night, we will also provide, because they have expressed that the night closure at 10 o'clock, some people are not cooperating and they force the roads closure to be opened forcefully. Some have expressed that their materials have been stolen at large. So we have the police department here who is going to conduct an inquiry, and we express our gratitude again to all the members of the Synjuk for taking up this matter at the right NS.
So we are here today on the basis of a joint inspection that was conducted today. We were given, as requested by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, we have held a joint inspection with various departments such as PHE, the Office of the Block Development Officer, Millim, CNRD Block, also with the NHIDCL, and also with us we are having the members of various dawbah Shnongs, the Synjuk Shnongs from this area. So we have started our inspection at 9 AM today from the Umshyrpi bridge, and following from the Umshyrpi bridge we have proceeded towards Lomoba 101 area, and finally culminating in this point out here. So through this inspection there were many issues that we have raised with NHIDCL, one of which is the general difficulty and issues that are faced by the general public, one of which includes the congestion as a result of the road that is being made by NHIDCL, and also the traffic congestions wherein people who have to go to work or they have to go to Shillong, they are experiencing a lot of problems due to the congestion, and which is time taken, it's a time stricken process. So what is happening now is that today we have followed up on this, wherein with the dawbah Shnongs and various representatives of the Shnongs, we have come together, we have identified some of the issues and problems for which NHIDCL also, they have given the assurance that they will take up these issues and matter, for which they will concentrate on various portions, especially the choke points, which is really creating these congestions. So they have given us the assurance that they will take up necessary steps from their end, and we are also from our end, from the office of the block, from PHE, but most importantly from the Shnongs. We have extended all cooperations, whatever requests they have made with regards to the help that they require. We will assist them in whatever it is, so that the benefits of this road project will then will be realized, and we will definitely be able to achieve what is part of the objective of this road project.